Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Simply Earth. This is the monthly essential oil recipe box, and this is for the month of December. Let me dig out the goodies in the back here. They always send you stickers to label your essential oils and then the products that you make and the date on it so you know how old it is. And then it comes with recipes. So the first one is a Christmas morning shower melt. Ooh, that has lime and balsam fir in it. I bet that smells amazing. Then on the back of those cards, if the recipes don't continue, there's some additional information. So this one, it talks about all your essential oils and the general safety and uses for those. Next up, we have Breath of Pine Shower Spray. Oh my gosh, I have to make that. I love the smell of pine trees. On the back of that card is a note from Katie, who's the recipe formulator at Simply Earth. Then we have Snowstorm Mini Bath Bombs. That sounds really fun. And that one is a longer recipe, so that continues on the back. Cheerful Giver Roll-On. Again, there's that balsam fir and that lime. On the back of that card, it talks about how they donate 13% of proceeds to a human trafficking charity. So this month, it changes every month too, who they donate the money to. So that's really awesome that they do that. Let It Snow Bath Bombs. That one probably continues on the back as well. Yep. And then the very last recipe is Christmas Vacation Diffuser Blend. And there's a sneak peek of next month's box. Tells you what essential oils you're getting. Some good ones in there. So let's take a look at the extras. So all of the carrier oils, those are sent in the big bonus box that comes twice a year. And then alongside you'll get some like extra containers here. So we have a spray bottle. We have that little mini bath bomb mold. And then there's some citric acid for the bath bombs and some ocean blue mica powder. That's really pretty. And then your essential oils. So we have lime, which I love. We also have geranium. And then we have balsam fir, one of my faves, and bumps and boo-boos. That one has a word I can't pronounce, which isn't shocking. It also has lavender, tea tree, and lemon essential oil. Hopefully that's focusing. But that's what came in this month's box. If you'd like to subscribe to Simply Earth, I do have a promo code below that will get you a gift card. And I also have tons of unboxing videos in case you want to see previous months. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.